Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you all? I am your Raksha ma'am, and this is our general awareness space. Do you know we already learned different animals like wild animals, pet animals, farm animals, and water animals. Today we will again revise wild animals. The animals which live in forest is called as wild animals. जो एनिमल्स जंगल में रहते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. लेट्स रिवाइज वाइल्ड एनिमल्स.
Which animal is this? This is a lion. A lion is known as the king of the jungle. Lion जंगल का राजा है. Oh, which animal is this? This is a tiger. The color of the tiger is yellowish orange with black stripe. You know children, tiger is our national animal. Tiger हमारा national animal है. This is an elephant. An elephant is the biggest animal. It has a huge body and a big trunk. It has two big teeth and ears. This is a bear. A bear has excellent sense of smell. This is a fox. A fox is a very clever animal. You know children. This is a deer. A deer can jump high. They have white dots on their body. Very beautiful animal. This is a monkey. Monkey is a very clever animal. They have an ability to jump from tree to tree and their favorite fruit is banana. Yes, this is a rhino. You know children, rhino is the second largest animal after elephant. This is a snake. A snake has no legs and slides on the ground. This is a giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. It has a long neck and a short tail.
This is a zebra. The color of the zebra is white with black stripes.
Now, ma'am will give you one worksheet.
Look at the pictures and tick the wild animals. This is a tiger. This is a bear. This is an octopus. This is a starfish. This is a giraffe. This is a lion.
Okay, children. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day.